Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Let me get my camera here. Whatever. I totally forgot to do a video Friday. Just escaped my mind, and then yesterday forgot to do one too. So these are the sales from, when was that? That would have been Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So as you can see on the screen, 44 orders, $384. I did have a 4-card sale over on Del Camp for $75, so that's really nice. So $450, a little over $100 a day for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Let's get into it. Artist signed, this is Charles 12 Trees. There's his signature. Mad Baby, I'm the Family Darling, 1917. And sold for $6.75. Next is Arbuckle's coffee card. This is of Virginia, circa 1890s views. Okay, I gotta optimize my computer. $14.99 for the trade card. Actually, most of these are probably 25% off offers. So this is south of the border, South Carolina, Fort Pedro fireworks stand. $3.99. Most south of the border stuff doesn't really do all that well, at least for me. This is McAllen, Texas Fairway Motor Hotel. Card's been up for probably 7 or 8 years. Sold for $6.99. Same person bought this one, 1950s high school marching band. 1956, geez. So $10.99. And then we have another card that's been up for probably 8-9 years. This is Maine Waldoboro High School. $4.99. Biloxi, Mississippi Historic Lighthouse. Also been up for probably 8 years or so. Looks trimmed. I think it's just the way it's sitting. I don't know. Maybe it's been trimmed. I don't know. No, it's just the way the picture's sitting. Anyway, $4 for that card. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Lotto's Inn Bridge, Wissahickon. And that sold for $4.99 on a best offer. Cape Cod, Buzzard Bay, Bob's Sea Grill Restaurant. Never got into lobster. $6.50 for that card. Collegeville, Pennsylvania, the Collegeville Inn Smorgasbord number 2. Sold for $7 on a best offer. This is Ocean City, New Jersey, Hotel Delaware on Boardwalk. $7 on a best offer. Next, Christmas Greetings, Cupid doll on sled, artist sign Rose O'Neill. There's her signature. Has a little hole punch in it for some reason. Sometimes when you see hole punches, they could be used as a ticket to get into an attraction. I don't know why it was done on this one, but $8.99 for that card. Next, West Virginia. This is Huntington, 1940s Chesapeake and Ohio Hospital. eBay said I had 2 of them. I only had 1 in stock. Same buyer bought 2 of them. I have to go check my old back stock and see if I have another copy. If not, I have to do a refund. Don't know how that happened. I don't have 2 of them anymore. Next, we have a postal cover election vote for Adam Rudy, 12th Ward Constable, York, PA. I don't know when this was. Probably 30s, 40s, or 50s. Not 100% sure, but $15 on the best offer. This is Cleveland, Tennessee, Cedar Lane Motel and Restaurant, 1950s. And that sold for $6. Sold a whole bunch of these. We've seen these before. The Patriotic Santa. There's one him riding a reindeer, walking in the snow, beating a drum, playing baseball. All sold to the same buyer. This is Pueblo. This is New Mexico. Water Carrier, New Mexico, Fred Harvey, 1910s. Even with the roached out back, still got $6.99 for it. Next, Another New Mexico Pueblo of that place. Winnowing Grain Fred Harvey. So another Fred Harvey card. $10.99 for this one. This is Hudson, Colorado. Pepper Pod Tavern Restaurant. Texaco Gas Interior View. $7.99. Next is this ranch in Hawaii. So it's cowboys handling calves, cows, real photo. So this isn't in Hawaii. And it's sold for 27 bucks. Can't remember where I got it. Anthropomorphic, the cat, vicious gossip, and envious chats. And that sold for $8 on a best offer. Next is a novelty postcard. It's Washington, D.C. Mormon Temple Copper Card. They just redid this Mormon Temple, and over the summer, or over the spring, and they were letting people in, which I guess they really don't let outsiders in. But anyway, maybe that's why this sold. I don't know, but it sold for $14.99. Heavy embossed butterfly, purple background. Pretty card. Probably should have said airbrushed, because that's what this is. $6.99. Studio Real Photo RPPC Sub Chaser 65 US prop boat. I bought this about a year ago in a local antique mall. I paid $3 for it and brought in $27.99. Next, Virginia Rockbridge Baths Sketching at River Camp. I'm not even going to try it this morning. So some type of girls camp. Not sure if it's like Sunshine Girls or Campfire Girls or Girl Scouts. Not sure which one it is. But sold for $12.99. Next, Maryland, New Windsor Bailing Relief Clothing World Church Services Center. Sold it for $6. Next, Arizona Hot Springs National Park. This is the Horseshoe Bathhouse, circa 1909. $4.99. I sold another one of those Santa's playing baseball. Mercersburg Academy Dining Room Real Photo Laughlin. I may keep that in. This is Laughlin photo. Sorry for screaming in your ear if I do leave that in. I don't see his little CL on here anywhere as his signature, but this sold for $7.99. This is Mercersburg, Pennsylvania Academy Real Photo. Yeah, it kind of has some issues on the front. Again, I don't see his... Oh, well, there it is. There's Laughlin right there above my noggin. That sold for $5.99 based on condition. His stuff usually can sell better than this. Next is Play. This is a Play. Guy dressed as a dog. I can't pronounce any of that, so I'm not even going to try. Sold for $9.99. Next, Fort Monmouth Scrivener Hall Officers Club. This is in New Jersey. $6.99. Next is Automobile Ad, 1937 Pontiac Silverstreak 4-door. $10.99. If that had the dealer information, I'd probably ask $25 bucks, maybe more. But it doesn't. Pretty much selling most of those cards over on the WhatNot. So if you want those cards, I'll have another batch soon on WhatNot. This is Lillian, North Carolina, Harnett County Courthouse, 1940s. Sold for $12.99. Munnsville, New York, View of Town and Train, 1910s. Sold for $7.99. This is Patriotic Abraham Lincoln Portrait Eagle Centennial. We'll try Centennial of birth. Sold for $7.99. And then over on Hip, sold this card. I don't know how to close out of this. That one for $9.99. That one went for $29.99. Just a African tribesman from Kenya. This one went for $9.99. and that one went for $24.99. So I'm not sure. Are they all real photos? Don't ask me why I priced them the way I priced them. I have no clue. I don't know why I didn't put this one up for 20 bucks. No clue. But anyway, it was like a $75 order, which is very nice for Hip, because I haven't listed on there for 8 months, just like I haven't listed on eBay for 3 months. So join me tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern for the WhatNot auction, the preview video. It's like 24 minutes long. It's up. I'll link to it at the end of this so you can go watch that. Go watch it, please, before, if you're bidding, yeah, go watch it. And for those who have been following me on WhatNot, you've seen this already, but those who don't, I had Halloween artist Matthew Kirst, who I've talked about probably ad nauseum over the last several years. I had him do a commission work for me, and this is what he came up with, called Spinach Surprise. These are only available as giveaways on WhatNot auctions. So I think that's it for the day. I thank everybody for watching. I hope your sales are wonderful, and I hope your day's even better. See you tonight.